Okay, so here we are, following the manual to the CoolerMaster Cosmos S case, and it said to put the PSU in first. Come here and take a look at the steps that we have to take to actually put the PSU in. Well, those steps are pretty lame. So I don't know, remove side, put the side back. We are not that lame, guys. So this is the mystery box. There's paper on the back.
Maybe we should remember the position of the paper.
Yeah, it was like these. And we are not going to lose this paper.
There are some letters,
Yeah.
and holes, and we absolutely don't know for what.
Yeah. Later. Okay. So this is the place where the PSU is going to be placed. It's held by these 4 holes. There came these screws.
There are more holes.
Yeah, there are more holes on the PSU all around it. I think it's because they wanted to ensure compatibility with multiple.
The case is also compatible, so
Yeah,
there
we should be
there
looking
are many holes.
at this side. This is the side that is going to stick out. Okay, so let's put it in place. It looks like it fits. And we are going to screw it from the outside.
Może dobrą stronę? Better door. Say that.
Those holes are not actually fitting, but one is fitting, the right one as well.
What about this man?
Oh crap.
This rubber?
I don't know.
I think we should use it. Maybe.
I think it prevents to
This backside, I think, because there are holes here, 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 and here. That's
yeah, it will be like this.
four passing screws, or what's the name for this?
Screws. Yeah,
Yeah,
probably like this.
This is front side because of
Yeah.
this, I think.
Okay, so
Logical conclusion.
once more I'm taking the PSU out. This is going to be a long night. You've probably noticed that we are shooting at night. So let's carefully, and this is it. Oh. There's nothing holding the rubber on.
Maybe we should use the sticker.
Glue?
Glue and stickers.
I don't know. Glue would melt probably. And the other one as well,
Yeah.
right now. I'm not sure if these are necessary, but
I think it is. Because it should be silent, and the rubber is for this.
I'm taking your word for it. So for the third time We have the PSU in position and we are going to put screws in it. We don't tighten all at once, but we are doing it gradually to be able to move the PSU and align the other holes. That was Michael's idea. Okay, I think the PSU is done. So much for the toolless design of the case.